Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a wallpaper on your iPhone on iOS 16 and later. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first, once you are at your home screen, just swipe down from the top of the screen to bring up your lock screen, or you can just press at the power button to lock your device, and then you can tap it on your screen to wake it up, and then just hold down at your lock screen. You're gonna use Face ID to unlock your device, and after that it opens up a kind of wallpaper selector. Then you can swipe left or right to select any wallpaper. Let's say I want to remove that one, and all you have to do in order to remove a wallpaper is just swipe up at that wallpaper to show up that trash icon, and then just hit at that icon and select delete this wallpaper. Then you're gonna select any wallpaper in that way. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.